Hi, in this video, I am show you how to insert a table in MS Word. A table helps you organize data in rows and columns, making it easier to read and understand. So let's start it. First of this, open your Word file and you can see here the Word file is open. Then I want to write this text and I want to draw a table in this area, empathy area. So how I create a table? Let's start it. So first of all, click on insert button, then click on table. So here the table option. So click on this. You will see there a grid. Move your mouse over the grid to select the number of rows and columns you want. Click to insert it. So I want to insert 3 and 5. So I want to click on it. So that's it. You have added a table to your document. You can now enter your data in the cells. Thanks for watching. To learn more MS Word tips, check out the full playlist with related tutorials. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe us.